Our patients generally have a really positive response when we tell them that the flowers that we bring them come from the Homeless Garden Project. A lot of our patients have lived in this community for decades and really value the community connection between the different agencies in Santa Cruz. And the way that the Homeless Garden Project makes those connections with other nonprofits is really valuable to our community and also to our patients as residents in Santa Cruz. I generally pick up the flowers on Wednesday afternoons after my morning meeting, bring them to patients for the rest of the week. And I think that the flowers really bring a lot of joy to our patients. They often don't get to go outside and see the colors and the flowers and smell the smells in the spring and in the summer, and I think it makes them feel really good to feel like someone's thinking about them enough to bring them flowers. It tends to really brighten their faces and their eyes, and they smile and talk about it. Even at the next visit they'll say, "Well, those flowers just brightened my home or my room for the whole week." They're already put together in beautiful bouquets. We don't have to do that. And they have the most amazing color and often the most amazing fragrances. So it makes it really easy for us just to pick them up and go. And really, we don't have to worry about it at all. And it brings so much light and joy to our patients with very minimal work from us. I do recall a brain cancer patient, a pretty young woman, relatively speaking, who really struggled with her terminal illness. And when we brought her flowers, it just seemed to make the whole world brighter. And she, in turn, that kind of opened her up to talking to us and accepting us as her hospice team and talking about her illness. And it really seemed to make a difference during the visits that the flowers were available.